1,000 pips on gold. Here is what you need to do. If you have been struggling with gold sickness, gold losing on gold often and often back to back, this is what you need to start doing and what you need to reposition yourself. In this video, I'll show you how I was able to catch couple of golds about 500 to 1,000 pips last week, and then I'll be putting you to doing a full recap video breakdown on how I was able to do that, and then some conferences I saw and what I considered before I pick my entry. Now let's go into it, guys. This is 2 hour time frame. Gold last week was did later it was good at the start of the week. Later on, began to act up somehow. But before the acting, I was able to discover I was able to catch some good pips, and we made a lot of money. After this gold took away this last low, let me go to my 4 hour time frame and show you very clearly. All right, good. You can see that gold has been coming down hard. Good. After gold took away this last we milk this buy. I told us then this was not we milk this buy. This was on the Tuesday. We milk this buy. Let me show you how we milk this buy. This was Tuesday. This was not the one I want to show you. This was the latest I want to show you. This was the 15th. Yeah. This one was Tuesday. This was Monday again. So this is the one I want to show you. So we were able to milk this buy, and of course the sell. Why this one I was like, why I was able to catch this one was that when I come to final time, I saw that this was an head. This was a shoulder. As well, we have a shoulder here. Not just that. I also come back again. I saw that what this level was a level that when market did what we call double bottom. This is the level the market need to take away this high to confirm that what this double bottom is a real double bottom and to travel far. So market is now retesting above here, just only here again. Market is also what, let me show you. Market is also what acting under this same level we had the market where market rejected. So so I knew that what that level was a very strong level, and that head and shoulder was not just a fluke head and shoulder, it was a strong head and shoulder. So aside from this and shoulder I saw on 4 hour time frame, I was also seeing rejection on 1 hour and 2 hour time frame because I need to confirm very well before I got an entry. My mixing was very less. I was mixing solely because I had a sniper entry. At first we entered, when we entered, I'll show you how we entered. We made about 20 30 pips. I said guys should take profit and they should opt out. Let's wait for confirmation because this head and shoulder might be a trick and come back to this last low here, then took us out. Then we took a profit around 30 pips, and then of course when the market confirm again, just enter, we made a lot of money. I'll show you. Can you see that we keep seeing that rejection? Can you see the after the rejection, market cover the week, market cover it, the two rejection, market cover it. Don't forget that this level was a level of head and shoulder where you are seeing the head and shoulder. This is head, and that level again, market is trying to respect. And this is the head. And don't forget, we also have a shoulder somewhere around here. Shoulder somewhere around here, so good. So I already know that this is forming an head and shoulder, and I was already seeing this rejection. So I do my what? I do my trend line somewhere around here. I do my trend line somewhere around here. Aha, good. And I came to my 15-minute time frame. I came to 30 minutes to see confirm to look at it very well. What is exactly doing there? What is it doing? What is it doing? Okay, well, this is it. Yeah. I saw this. I used to tell my student a lot. Every candle shape, every candle pattern, every candle language, there's languages that you have to interpret. So languages of all these candles means that what I'm not yet to what to go. Or you could say that now it's time for me to move. You could say that what I am still not convinced, sellers are still in control. So for me to be seeing this consolidation, because market will always do three things. First, the market will always do accumulation. What's the consolidation? Accumulation, fake out, accumulation, then after we do fake out, which is called manipulation, fake out. Then after the fake out, market will now do what is called distribution. Now, when I was seeing this accumulation, I knew that what the next thing to be done is what fake out. You see the fake out here now. See the fake out here now. See, oh, sorry. See the fake out here. Let me show you. Let me show you. See the fake out here, guys. See the fake out here, guys. See the fake out here. Then he came back into it. And when he came back into it, I knew that what we are again. We are on the good side. I will tell you, let's go, guys. Let's go. So okay, so market after doing market must do that three things before what? Before distribution will come, before we to start moving. Then I came to my 15-minute time frame to see it clearly that what is exactly going on here. We have to catch this. What's exactly going on here? We have to catch it. What's exactly going on here? Then I waited for it to come. Then I saw this, I waited for it to come. Then market came back to this entry. If market breakout and did not retest under it, coming back to it shows that what buyers are still in control. Shows that what this was a total manipulation. Market will always do three things. Firstly, we always accumulate. Which secondly, we do manipulations, and thirdly, distribution. Am I talking to somebody? So the distribution was about to happen when we got back to the when we are around 1 year. I think when we made the first entry, we had an entry somewhere around here and they make profit. We had an entry somewhere and we make profit about 30 pips. I said we should opt out. When you now tested and now I came to my work. Don't forget to tell my student, do not apply your entry at 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, or 1 hour on gold. Gold is highly volatile. You have to come down to 5-minute time frame. Am I talking to somebody? My explanation will be explaining more. We'll be bisecting and then dividing gold in our next training. Free training, we have the free training coming up. 2 class free training, live training on gold, where we'll be discussing how you can find your entry, exit, and everything you need to know on gold, and you stop losing consistently on gold again. Am I talking to somebody? So let's go. So I then when I came back to I knew, oh wow, we are good. Then I draw what we call what my small trend line here to connect this dot. That if market took it away and come back, we might not be and come and took it away here and took this away, then this is not a buy market. This is a long market. This is a short market. Then I came to my 15th time to find my entry. Then I come down to I want to look for entry. Then I wait patiently to look for my entry. Good. Ah, good. Then I wait patiently to look for my entry. Firstly I waited. Let me see. Okay, not this one. Uh-huh. Firstly, I waited for a breaker because I we took small profit and we said let us wait for another extra confirmation to be really sure. Though I was already sure that this is a buy. But I just felt like guys, I don't want guys to just lose any. We risk so low. Our risk was fucking low. We risked about 12 or 10, if I'm not mistaken. Our risk was fucking low. You're good. So after I saw this one trying to do this, after this, I saw this shape. I said we should opt out. I think we waited that 1 year. Is it here? Or where? Okay, yeah, we waited that 1 year. We said let's wait for confirmation. Okay, I think we waited that one. Where do you go comment? We waited that someone around where? I think someone around 1 year or so. Yeah, this one around. So we now say let's wait for confirmation because I know the black market will retest. After the retest, okay, let me see. Let me find my where did I find my entry itself? Oh, where is my entry? No, I'm trying to where we opted out. I'm trying to see where we opted out at first before we go into the next entry. Before confirmation. Okay, let me take away this. So I'll be so sure. Let me take this away. Because I do what was this thing? Okay, good. Okay, good. We have said that's around here. I think I do my small trend line here. Yes, I can do that. Very good. I do a small trend line somewhere around here. Aha. I said let's wait for this to break above this. If it breaks above this, if I can see market trending above um 40.37 for 40.38, then it has broken all these levels. Can you see? All these levels ranges around 20, 36, 35, 37. Can you see? These are the levels the market is expecting. So if you can break above those levels, all this level that is ranges, you can break above it, then we can enter for a buy and long. So make market book above it. We started waiting. We wait for the first one, second one to break. Then we find our enter someone around here. We enter someone around here. Push. That's how we make money. Then what market push. Immediately we enter. Not up to 2 minutes. Market started moving crazy. Pa 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 pa. Till we made about. So we made about. We entered around. Let's say even say 40. We made about. This is about what? This is 100. This is about 400 pips. 500 pips rather. About 500 pips plus. That's how you're able to make money on that. 500 p plus, about 500 p plus on that goal. That's what just because of what waiting for extra confirmation. Do you understand, guys? Waiting for extra confirmation. Market was doing. Let me come back to you. Let me come and show you guys. So that is how market was doing what we call consolidation, manipulation, and then distribution. So we have to come down and ensure that what We cut it fresh without any ambiguity. See now, let me draw it now. Let me draw the line for you. Market has been what? Market has been doing accumulation at this level. Can you see? Can you see? Hey, sorry. At this level, can you see? Let the market break above that level. We find our entries on 1 year. We put our stop loss on 1 year. Find our level. I think find our level on put our stop loss on 1 year. Just a breaks above. This is 15 actually. 5 minutes must have shown 1, 2, 3. 5 minutes. So this is not 15. We don't find an entry on 15 times. It was 5 minutes. So this is 1, 2, 3, making it 5. One candles on 15 times. But on 5 minutes, it's 3 candles. So we found our entries on 1 year. Then we put our stop loss here. So risking was about. Let me see. It was about how many pips? We entered around 37. It was about how many pips we were risking? It was about 12. We put ourselves at 24. That's about 12 pips. That's crazy. 12 pips to catch over 500 pips on gold. That's crazy, guys. That is one of the things we started doing lately on the VIP. We want to be mixing as low as we can, finding our sniper and killer entry. Even though it go against us, they are missing just 10, 12, 13, 15 pips, 18 pips. It will not eat us bad. It will not hurt us that so much. But if you are reaching 30, 50, and that's when on gold, it's crazy. You can reach that on normal pair. It's not a big deal. But if it is on gold, it's a big deal. You will not come back again in the market and to trade this again because capital protection is very, very important and key in this business. Am I talking to somebody? So that is how we're able to kill gold on that day, and everybody made a lot of money. We made a lot of money, a lot. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you have any questions, do not forget to comment it right now on this video so that I can attend to it. And one thing I want to pass this information across. Please and please, if you're just watching for the very first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and join us on Telegram because we are having a big banger, We're having a 2 days live trading, free trading on gold, strictly on gold alone. How you can begin to reach 10, 12, 15 pips on gold to catch 400, 500 pips. You are done for the week. Do that alone. You are done for the week, guys. Am I talking to somebody? And this is what we'll be exposing. We have a strategy now that we don't discover, and we'll be exposing this strategy to everyone for free in our community. Why not look around this video to join our community right now so you can be a partaker of this free training. Thank you so much for joining me once again, guys. I wish you a profitable week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.